Let me show you how I make the best oatmeal chocolate chip cookies with olive oil and sea salt. They are chewy, full of chocolate, and really easy to make. I make these when I want a really good homemade cookie that is a little different from the usual version. To make these chocolate chip oatmeal cookies, start by measuring out half a cup of extra virgin olive oil into a mixing bowl. Although I do like buttery cookies, using oil in this recipe gives these cookies a really nice chewy texture. Next, add half a cup of coconut sugar or regular brown sugar to the mixing bowl. Then, crack in 1 egg. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then, add half a teaspoon of baking powder. And whisk everything together until it looks smooth and well combined, with the sugar mostly mixed in and no streaks of egg left. Next, add 1 cup of spelt flour to the mixing bowl. Then, add half a cup of rolled oats. Spelt flour gives the cookies a nice texture and a slightly nutty flavor, but you can use 1 cup of all-purpose flour if that is what you have. Stir just until the flour and oats are mixed in and you do not see dry patches. While I'm mixing, hit the like button if you like baking with oats, and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss my other cookie recipes. Next, we need some chocolate. Dark or semi-sweet chocolate works best here because it gives the cookies a richer flavor without making them too sweet. Roughly chop 130 grams of dark chocolate bar to make 3/4 cup of dark chocolate pieces, and keep the pieces on the chunkier side so you get these big, melty pockets of chocolate in the cookies. Next, add all of the chocolate pieces to the bowl with the rest of the cookie dough. Then, gently mix the dough until they are evenly spread through the dough. Drop a comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I always love reading where everyone is from, and I really enjoy getting to know who is here. If you have any questions about this recipe, leave them in the comments too. I will do my best to reply to everyone. Also, add a pinch of sea salt to the cookie dough. About the tip of a teaspoon is enough, and give the dough one last quick mix to combine the salt. The dough should be soft and fairly thick at this point, not runny, as you can see here, so it is easy to scoop onto the tray. Now, take a parchment paper covered cookie sheet and scoop the dough onto the tray in small portions, as you see me doing here. Use about 1 tablespoon of dough for each cookie, and leave a little space between them so cookies can spread a little as they bake. Then, press on each cookie, just a little, to flatten them slightly. You do not need to press hard, just a gentle press with your fingers or the back of a spoon so they are a bit more even on top. This helps them bake more evenly. Bake these chocolate chip oatmeal cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 16 minutes until the cookies are golden brown and lightly crisp around the edges. The centers should still look a little soft when you take them out, and your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing. I got a little cookie dough left over, so I am going to bake a second batch now. But you can also keep the extra dough in the fridge and bake it later if you want a fresh batch of warm cookies later or a next day. These oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are soft and chewy, with just a little crispness at the edges. The oats give them a nice bite, and the chocolate melts into super yummy, soft chocolate pockets, especially when the cookies are still warm. The sea salt on top adds a little sweet and salty contrast and helps the chocolate flavor stand out. I like them when the cookies are still warm because the chocolate is soft, but they stay chewy even after they cool. If you liked these oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, then check out my brown rice flour chocolate chip cookies here too. They are super easy to make, and they also come out warm, gooey, and deliciously chewy. Check it out now!